This is the 2019 higher level interpretation of accounts, and we're going to calculate dividend yield. Okay, so there's two steps involved here. Step number one, we have to calculate the dividend per ordinary share, and step number two, calculate dividend yield itself. Okay, so dividend per ordinary share, the formula is dividend paid minus preference dividend over the number of ordinary shares issued. So first thing we have to locate is dividend paid. So we go to our trading profit and loss, and you can see dividend paid is here, and it is €55,000. There we go. Okay, so next thing we have to do our preference dividend. So we have to go to our balance sheet, and we can see there's 8% preference shares, €1 each, 250 grand. So 250,000, 8%. So all I did was that 250,000 by the 8% gives me €20,000. Okay, so just highlight there in yellow as well. Now we're going to be looking for the number of ordinary shares issued. So again, that's in our balance sheet. Ordinary shares, €1 each, so they issued 500,000. Okay, so just pop that into your calculator, apply by 100 over 1, it gives you 7 cents. Now it's very important that you have a cent beside that, so the dividend per ordinary share in this question is 7 cents. Okay, step number two then, we calculate our dividend yield. So it is the dividend per ordinary share, which we'll just have to calculate in a second ago, which is 7 cents, over the market price. Okay, so you'll find the market price underneath your balance sheet. So here's our balance sheet, and underneath it says market value of one ordinary share on the 31st of the 12th is €1.35. Now if you think about it logically, our dividend per ordinary share is 7 cents. It says 1.35, but remember that's euro, 1.35 euro, so that is actually 135 cents. So it's 7 cents over 135 cents. Multiply by 100 over 1, and that gives us 5.19%. Okay, so that's how you calculate dividend yield.